Hi, it's Kirsten from WTI. I feel I'm constantly struggling to find skirts that are modest but still cute. Well, I feel like I hit the jackpot with this midi skirt. Let me show you some adorable features that make this my favorite skirt this summer. So this material is a really nice cotton. It's 100% cotton, so breathable, really great for this summer. I love this elastic waistband with the paper bag detail on the top. It's so cute with the little ruffles. I'm wearing a size small. I normally wear about a small or a medium, so I feel like you could definitely size down in the skirt. These faux buttons are adorable, just love them. And the best feature, these pockets. They're deep enough to fit a huge iPhone. This is the most versatile skirt in my closet. So first of all, it looks really cute with a basic t-shirt, but then you throw on a blouse and it immediately dresses up the look, makes it appropriate for the office as well, super comfortable to wear all day long when you're sitting. And then I threw on a faux leather jacket, which takes the skirt right into the fall. You'll be wearing it all year round. I think one of my favorite features of this skirt is the material and how airy it is. It's so comfortable, you barely feel like you're wearing anything at all. And I really just love the look of it. I feel like the length, the midi length, is perfect for any body type, and it has so many cute features. I would not hesitate to grab one of these skirts. They come in really great colors. I love this olive army green. I feel like it's so versatile. It'll go with so many different outfits. You could definitely dress it up, you could dress it down. I just feel like it's the perfect skirt for this summer. You're gonna be comfortable, you're gonna be modest, and best of all, you're gonna be super stylish. I highly recommend this skirt, and that's my point of view.